Hello and welcome. It is Jillicky from the Sunshine Coast here in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a magical mystery tour. A magical mystery pour. It's alright, just being silly. I'm going back to my bright and vibrant, just what I love. I'll explain it as I go along. But I just want you guys to take a seat, sit and relax, pause me and go and get a cuppa or whatever your beverage of choice is, and come along with me on this magical mystery pour. So I have mixed these particular paints up with the recipe that I'll put a link in the very first comment pinned at the bottom of this video. It's got no silicone in it in the particular pouring medium, so I won't have any problem when it comes to sealing my work, because there'll be no silicone if I decide to put any resin on it. So we're into the real red, cool red to start with. So I'm gonna try to have a little bit, she says, of negative space in this one. So just relax and enjoy, and then hopefully it gives you some inspiration to get into your art room and have a little pour this afternoon or this morning or whatever time it is when you're watching this video. Hope that it inspires you to go and do something creative. That's what I'd like it to be able to do. Inspire, uplift, whatever it makes you do, hope it's something positive. So, bright colours, kaboom, that's just bright yellow. Love it.
Stars come to shine when it's dark, from so far away, and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. Makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
On the top, and I'm going to spread this white. So a little spreader. Where's it gone? I do like these are icing, you know, to do cakes with, spreading icing. So it was just from the kitchen department. But what I like about them, and I wish they'd done smaller tools, it's this angle. The angle that it's on is really good for us as pourers, because even if it was on a steeper angle, would be better to spread the paint without something flat. So, and I've got some colour picked up from somewhere there, because I got the colour on my, yeah, so I wish they made these in different sizes, for particularly for us pour painting, fluid art painters, because they're really the perfect angle for spreading and doing different things with. So won't worry about my very edges at this point in time. Put a bit more on there. It kind of fluid acrylics, it very much self-levels when you're finished and you think it looks a bit lumpy. As it dries, it actually does self-level, so not to worry about it. I just want to do a little teeny weeny blow of some of the paint upwards onto the negative space, So I do want a fair bit of colour there. I mean, you know, paint to make it flow over. But before I actually do that, I'm going to tilt this about so I get the whole canvas covered in my colours. Just nice and gently, just take your time and just relax about it. Certainly want to thank all you guys that have newly subscribed to my channel, and of course my faithfuls that have subscribed a while ago and that stick with me every single video. They must have the notification bell on, so if you remember and you want to not miss a video, please have the notification bell on. I'm liking this already. I'm just trying to work out. Yeah, I will swipe down and along, but first of all I'm going to give this a little blow up, so to soften the edges up into the white. I'll try with my, it's just a stainless steel straw with the silicone end. Ooh, something come out of it. Oh God, that's strange. That's a little, it looks like a little screw.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are?
Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Already I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I think I'm going to swipe down the whole Duvalaki with white. Let's just see how we go. Might start from there and go downwards. Maybe I will use my Swifty Swipe. Mind you, that's a little bit bent, isn't it, today? I'll have to bend it back and see if I can do this with my Swifty Swipe. Again, the little tool, which is a, I don't know, palette knife thing, it's got that angle on it, and it's so good for working with the fluid acrylics, I find. But that is a little bit bent, so I'm going to have to bend it back. Let's just give this a go. Oh, I'm sending it real dark. Woo! I might go back the other way. Where's my white? Hoping that all those gorgeous colours will come from underneath. Create something even more stunning. So this is my little homemade Swifty Swipe. I have got a video in my playlist of making of this Swifty Swipe. Oh, what you doing? Go back, start again. Not pressing hard enough. Ooh, this is a long journey back down the other end. Where's the white? Look at this lacing. It is stupid. I had to bring my video down. Of course I haven't finished with it, but I just want to show you this absolutely awesome lacing in this. It is gorgeous, even in the flowers, which I guess that you don't usually see when I've got the camera up on the tripod. Can't see this detail in it. There's some more, loads of lacing, load. But there you go. Wow, so let's look at that one. That is so gorgeous, so gorgeous. This, what's happening in here. Beautiful. I'll just move along now. Okay, and I am going to get the gorgeous kisser. I've got my kisser. This is a balloon that's been blown up a couple of weeks and it's got a real odd shape, but you know, who cares, odd shape, it'll do the same thing. It's nice and soft, so put your the belly button of the balloon in your fingers there, just gives you better control. If it's nice and soft, it gives you better control to do your squidgely bits on. If the paint is too runny, I'm going to, well, yeah, probably need to leave it and come back. But I do want to, oh, look at that, see if I can do, no, the paint's too, it needs to dry off a bit. See, when it's too, falls back in over itself, then you need to give it some time to absorb into the canvas, she says, but she still goes on and does it. I don't want to really go over this gorgeous lacing because that's just stunning all on its own. You can sort of work the canvas if you keep going back into the areas that are falling in between wiping your balloon. So I might just press in the white there. Oh yes, look at that. See if I can get, now this paint at the top there's too much there to actually do anything just yet, so I'm going to leave it to dry off a little bit and then I'm going to come back and give it the kiss of life. I'm back. I've only left it maybe 15 minutes. I didn't want to leave it much longer because it's a very warm day here in Australia at the moment, so I'm going to go ahead and, as you see, I've already given it. Okay, let me rehash what I've already done. I have already used just a bamboo skewer to do some little lines, which are sort of an abstract stem, I suppose. And then I already dipped this bigger balloon that I just blew up. I blowed up. Is it blowed up, blew up, or blown? Who knows? And I dipped it in, and I did that. So I will dip back in the same spot again because there's still a lot of paint there, and I'll do the bigger. Well, that didn't work, but I'll try it again. Oh, it transferred some white onto there, which is quite nice. I will push it in here. It's got some nice colours on it. Woo! Wowzers trousers. And you can dip it and make your flower garden. So I want to go in this darker bits. Bring this back. And then it puts a bit more white into there, which is lacing up beautifully. I'll go back in here and oh, look at that. Gorgeous. Now I probably don't need any more big balloon flowers, but I've got all size balloons here, so you can go back in the smaller balloons to put in on your lower stems, which kind of look a bit like fairies and fireflies. Just put them in on your stems. Pretty things. Well, I think that's very nice as it is. Oh, I also did a bit of balloon rolling on the bottom, so it kind of looks like there's some more little stems, little flowers shooting up from the bottom, so they're just putting your balloon in and basically rolling it with a flick of the wrist, and it's brought up all those lovely colours that are underneath there hiding. I will turn it around and then we will be done with this magical mystery pour. Oh, Now I'm going to get paint all over my dress, but never mind, it's a paint dress, as is everyone in my wardrobe. I think when this bit dries a bit further, I will come back in and give some more balloon work, because I don't actually like, actually this kind of does look cool. It's like a hazy effect, and I've got all this gorgeous lacing here, which is stupendous. I love that. That is bright and uplifting. You know, everybody needs a bit of bright and uplifting in their lives, and that is just gorgeous. I love it. I will definitely do that again. So let me know what you think, guys. Wait on for the dry photos. It is, oh, it's just a lovely, 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 even if I do say so myself. Hope that you enjoyed that. I'll be so please join me, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. It's appreciated and it helps all us YouTubers. If you do subscribe, like and comment, it helps everybody to keep their content coming to you. So thank you again, people. I enjoyed your company. So until tomorrow, bye for now.
From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder.